birthday and we got him a bouncy house. So, is that my Stanky Panky? You gonna say hey to the good people?
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. So shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. Go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go
Good job, Stanky Panky. You okay? I came out so fast. That was good. Luke, hurry up.
One more time for the good
Yep.
time.
You recording? Yep. Okay. Waiting for him. I would never do that.
Safe.
Okay.
He's safe.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Feel amazing, bro. Woo!
Happy birthday!
Hey, good job, Luke.
Okay. Luke, wait. You have to wait till me coming. All right, come on. Come on, buddy. She's coming. Woo! Wow, too heavy. Slide, and we're going back up the slide. And the other big kid is trying to push him down. Oh no, they're pushing. I'm going down the slide. I want you to throw me down the slide.
No, I'm not throwing nobody down.
Larry, you getting in there?
I've already been in there.
You been in there? Harper, you getting in there? We can pee on the floor. Oh my gosh. I'm not surprised. You have to show me and I'll go clean it up, okay?
It's right beside the table with the other one.
I want some
Yeah, you gonna stay still.
Make sure you give Dar some. Yeah, he just need a he thirsty.
He getting so big.
Up here.
Where your shoes at, Denise?
Do it. You know how to say hi. Shoot. Is there water in that thing?
Not anymore.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Ew, nasty.
You
You sneezed everywhere. Ooh.
That's funny.
You went sneezed everywhere.
It's not working.
It doesn't have any water in it.
You gotta let it go and then squeeze it. Now squeeze it.
Well, you're standing up there so you can see this. I'm gonna get that. Maybe not there would. I don't think so.
No, I think Katie in the house. Oh, he said mine, stop. What a bully.
Throw it up. I said 150 at
What?
I'll put it in a cup for you. No, you don't need a cup. Why?
Because you supposed to say hey to the good people.
Hey, no.
You supposed to say hey good people.
Hey, no.
You so extra. Why you just can't get on board? Get information.
Look at this. Look at that.
That is the buffalo
Look
chicken
at the
dip.
steam on it.
Yeah, it's
Right
hot.
there.
Yeah. Y'all, their stuff is so good. I'm gonna see if I can get the recipe for it. But the sausage dip was a hit. So good. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheese. So here's my plate, guys. I'm a little bit out of breath, but this is the buffalo chicken dip, the rotel beef dip, pigs in a blanket, a regular deviled egg, seafood deviled egg, my meatballs, hot wings.
Wait, I didn't hear you sing it.
You singing happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
How happy. Everybody
Be careful. All right, we about to light the candle, okay? Can you not touch it? Oh, Lord. Oh, he licked it. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay. So you just, okay. Happy birthday.
You right now, you hurt.
But I did
that. You might want to get that close to
Oh, yeah. Well, come here, Harper.
He's all one singing.
I'm like, yeah, he is the only one singing.
Can she sit with you? Harper, you want to hold her?
Okay, hold on, let me.
Denise, should we do that?
It's empty. Oh no, my hand is shaking so bad. Yes, sir. Who lit the candle the last time? I got this bed. Let me get some elbow in it. Oh, okay. Don't breathe on it.
Hang on.
Oh, wait a second. Happy birthday.
I'm going to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lou. Happy birthday to you. Blow it harder.
Thanks.
Green. I don't see any green, so you want green TJ Maxx. That one's not green. That's a Romeo, right?
Yeah.
That's what you want? What do you want, Paisley?
I'll stitch you some.
They're both in the same division, aren't they?
Yeah, they're both better
Be
than.
careful, Lucas.
They're in South, LSU's in South Carolina.
Lucas is gonna get a piece of his cake for the first time.
Alabama wins the East, which is Florida and Georgia.
You still got a chance.
You're gonna get
They got to win
out of
out.
the
And they
SEC.
got to
You're gonna get whoever wins the SEC. Which say it's
But it could be
LSU. Say it's LSU.
Who
then,
made
but-
the stuff? Sarah, a girl that we used to work with. She makes cheesecake.
Then it's gonna be.
But
I think
she made his cake.
Alabama would get in before Georgia did because of the loss to South Carolina. That's until then.
Look at that cake.
And then
Oh my
Alabama,
gosh.
you know, would get.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness. goodness, I never knew that she had colored icing in it. That's so cool. Can you hand us a fork, please?
Water went out. Who?
Birthday cake.
Unless somebody else wants some. Anybody want some of this?
No.
No?
Hey. Is it yummy, Lucas?
Why are you just walking under the
Yeah, I
table?
went to one later.
Is it yummy? Yummy!
Yeah,
Yay!
still a lot of months there. Still got about 5 more weeks.
Birthday party!
Birthday party.
What is it? Why people listen? I gotta learn to pedal. I ain't pushing no more.
Can he pedal?
I think he can, but his shoes is not.
Go. There you go.
Look at there.
He's gonna do it. Get your shoes on, take
Oh,
that
I'm sorry,
out.
Denise.
Oh no! Paisley taking off on the birthday boy's bike. You go, girl.
Come here.
Watch out for the car. Turn a little bit.
Go, go, go! Keep going. Go,
Downhill is easy.
go! Pedal, pedal,
Oh, you
pedal.
got the brakes down?
Go! Good job, Luke. You got it. Keep pedaling.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet across the border from a land of tears.